What's up?
Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we're looking at LOFTEK lights. LED RGB. And it's coming up right now. There it goes, you can see right here, they're working underwater in the pool. Just fine. We put the other one there by the first step in. So then it comes in like this. It does work underwater. Yeah, there we go. Now you got a nice little light show going on. But these really enhance the deep end of the pool real nice. And then of course this one for the first step. Okay, I got these off Amazon. They were $34.99 for a 4-pack. And let's open it up. Inside the box, you have your LOFTEK instructions for the remotes. It does come with 2 remotes, 4 lights. It has these little suction cups where you can pin it to the side of a pool. Whatever. Here's the light itself. There's the bottom of the case. These are magnetic, where you can put them onto something metal to hold it. And here's where the suction cups clip in. 16 color RGB, IP68. I'm going to show you what they look like with the lights on, and then when the lights are off. There we go. And the other remote. There we go. And now, let me turn off the lights a second through the power of magic, and you'll see what they look like in the dark. Welcome all my spooky trick-or-treaters. I picked up LOFTEK Submersible LED lights. It's 164 foot long reach for the remote RFs. They're full waterproof pool lights, in-ground pool magnets. They have suction cups. You can use them for all kinds of different things. Even to light up your pumpkins. Oh yeah. Just in time for Halloween. You can see here I picked it up for 40 bucks. Last purchase March 23rd, 2020. I've had no problem with them working in the pool. That's what I use them for. But like I said, you can do whatever, you know, pumpkins, decoration. This thing has a pretty good warranty on it. 45 days free return and quick unconditional refund. 2-year free replacement for product quality issues. You can't beat that. That's a good deal right there. They're battery powered. They have diving irons to help drop them into the water and hold them down. 13 LEDs, magnet, suction cup, IP68 waterproof. That's a very, very good thing. 16 different colors. You can change the brightness, the modes, all kinds of stuff like that. Great in the bathtub, the pool, a cooler. Maybe put it in a fish tank. Or maybe you want to brighten up the fountain that you have out front. Always trying to bring you guys the best free games and budget gaming tech here on the channel, helping you save money. Ad-free, commercial-free always, and in 4K, just for you. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome. I really appreciate you watching the video. Hopefully you like the content and you smash that subscribe button. You don't want to miss any great deals coming up. Also, if you do like this kind of thing, drop a like on the video. I'd appreciate it. It helps it get to reach new people that haven't seen these deals and maybe they're trying to save some money. Thank you all for watching. I hope each and every one of you have a wonderful, beautiful day. Hi, thanks for watching the video. Hopefully you found it entertaining and it helped save you some money. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I really appreciate you watching. Hit that subscribe button down there so you don't miss any great free games or budget tech coming your way. Also, if you want to see more, make sure to click up there.
Run.
Thank you for watching. We'll see you soon.